Hello everyone, welcome back to this video series on how to design a hair salon website with Elementor Pro and WordPress CMS. Okay, in our previous episode we have designed this pricing page. Okay, and in this video let's design the review page. Okay, I'm already in the editing interface here, and just like that before, we will copy this section, paste it here, and we will change the wordings. For example, say what our customers say. Reviews or customer reviews. Okay, then just insert another section padding about 150 at the bottom and about 30 at the top, or maybe 40 pixels. Then here reviews, review carousel, here reviews widget, insert it here. Okay, slash per view 1 or 2, for example like this. You can insert two contents. I prefer the single slideshow. Okay, white 100% or 50% like this. You can adjust it, so I'll just leave to the default. Slash to scroll, okay, default one. Okay, and here additional options, arrows. Do you want to show these arrows or not? Okay, hide it. Okay, dots are fine. Instead of dots you can also use fraction like this, or progress. Okay, leave the dots. Then all these things leave the default. You do not need to change much, but if you want to change the animation or transition speed, you can adjust these values. Okay, now go back to the slide contents here. For example, say insert an square image. Yeah, for this, an icon here. This icon mostly indicates where these reviews or testimonial come from. Is it from the Twitter, Facebook, or Google reviews, or YouTube, Instagram? So you can insert the source, or you can even link the source of the review. Okay, and here you can insert the number of ratings. For example, 5-star rating here. Okay, and here this is username, for example Twitter username, Facebook username link, or Google. Or you can just insert designation too. Instead of the username you can also insert, for example, yeah, yeah, just like that. And except for, yeah, let's go to styles and let's see if we have other options for styling this. Space between border areas, background, text, separator, image icon, rating, navigation. Okay, except for adjusting the typography, colors, and border, and just like that. I think there is no style options templates switching here. In some widgets we have the option to change switch this layout, but I think there is no such options in the Elementor Pro reviews widget. Okay, anyway, that's enough. Now let next thing, copy this appointment form widget and paste it here. Let's see how it looks. On mobile. Yeah, everything was just fine. Okay, now update it. Now we are done. We are done with the review page. So next is appointment page. This is the last page. For appointment page, we do not need much. We just have to insert the appointment form that we have been inserting on each page we have designed. Okay, let's go to review page. Now I'm in the appointment page editing interface, and here we can just copy the booking appointment form from any of the pages that we have designed and paste it on this page. Okay, that's it, and we are done. Update it, and we are done this website, and this small mini website, uh, 6-page website is meant to collect leads or customer booking appointments. So main focus of our website, this website, is to get appointment form registrations. Okay, and I hope you like it, or I hope you learn something new from this video series, and this will be the last episode. And if you have any video requests on how to design a type of niche website, you can contact me on Facebook or WhatsApp, and I'm happy to help you, or I'm happy to create a especially a video series or web design course. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next episode or next video series. Bye bye.